What's up guys, my name is Mair. So today I'm sharing the best simple onion omelette you can ever find. It's very easy, quick to make, so let's get straight into the video. So here I have 2 yellow onions. First of all, we will slice those onion and we will try to make thin slices out of onion, as thin as possible. So we are trying to slice the onion as thin as possible. So this is a breakfast recipe. We all like to have a good breakfast. So as you guys can see, the onions are finely chopped or sliced. You can use a slicer for that as well if you guys want. So for now we will just take the onion and put it right in our bowl. So as you cut the onions, they will make your eyes watery. But that's the part of the good recipe again. Okay, here goes the second onion right in there. Here I'm taking 2 jalapenos, or you can say green chilies, or you can use the capsicum in there as well. But I want a little bit kick to it, so just roughly chop the green chilies. So add the green chilies right in there. Add some salt, I would say half tablespoon salt. And half tablespoon the black pepper. Take the 2 eggs and add them right in there. Of course, take the shells out. Oops, here we go. We will take next 2 eggs and break them together. So which one will break? Whoa, that was an explosion. So this guy is pretty tough. Here you go. That's the 4th. Take the fork and mix the onions and the egg, the pepper and the black pepper and the salt. So with the omelette we will be making some French toast. So this is how it should look. The fork helps the onions to break apart. Preheat the pan, add some vegetable oil right in there. So we will wait 5 minutes until the pan gets hot. Pan is hot, now we will just drop our egg right in there with the onion. So this is an onion omelette. It should have extra onions in there. So with the help of the fork, spread the onions evenly. Okay, the juices all should come out. Alright, we will put this on the side. We will take our spoon and we will try to spread it evenly. And at this point guys, now keep the stove on medium to high flame and cover it with the lid. And now let's work on our French toast. Alright, so for the French toast we will take some milk. I'm making just 4 pieces of toast, so I'm just sharing 4 pieces. We'll take an egg, add 1 egg in there. So take the 2 spoons of sugar, tablespoons, and add those right in there. Take a whisk and whisk this everything. So this is kind of a batter for the French toast. Very easy, simple. People do add vanilla extract to it, or sometimes they do add the blueberry extract in there as well. This is as plain as possible. And for the French toast, normally I would strongly suggest you guys to use the white bread. Don't use the brown bread or whole wheat bread. I mean, you can use it, but it doesn't bring that texture of the French toast. So we will whisk for 2 more minutes. As you guys can see, it's perfectly done. So here is our omelet so far. Let me show you guys the bottom of it. But this is a non-stick pan, and non-stick pan helps very good. As you guys see the bottom, it still needs, I guess, 2-3 more minutes. Our omelet is getting ready. We will make our French toast. In a separate pan, add tiny oil. Tiny means a little bit oil, otherwise the whole thing will be extra soggy. Now it's the time I will flip the omelet. Since it's a big guy, it will take a lot of effort. So we will pick it up from the bottom and flip it. Turn the flame very low and cover it with the lid on top and leave it for next 5 minutes. So in the 5 minutes we will work on our French toast. So here is our batter. We will take a white bread, we will dip it, give it a bath, nice bath, and then just land it in here. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes and our bread looks good. We will flip the side. So this one will be a little bit soggy and soft just because it had a little bit extra oil. So this will be our dish out plate, and we will just put it right on the side for now. So take the bread, give it a nice bath, and land it in there. It's hot. And the omelet, just turn off the stove and let it simmer by itself right on top. You see all the steam, it all went in there. So it will give extra onionness to our omelet. So here you go. I should not use hand, I should use tongue, but since this is a non-stick pan, so you should not use metal spoons or metal products to it. So this is a yummy breakfast recipe. The kids gonna love it. The family gonna love it. Do try to make onion omelette and the French toast just the way I'm showing it to you guys. So this will be our last one. Giving it a nice bath. Remember, it had the milk, the egg, and the sugar. It goes right in there. Okay, so this is our last French toast. We will just slide it and put it right on top of it. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Our omelette looks yum and ready. So wow, it's so soft, it's gonna break up on me. Oh, perfectly soft. Try to flip the sides. And that's how it's gonna look. Since it's a big guy, we will cut it from the middle so it's easy to handle. And in a serving plate, we will serve it just like that. Here you go, friends. Your onion omelette and the French toast breakfast is ready. here you go guys, this is the moment of truth. You can eat with the bread, or you can just eat it like that, as I'm sharing with you guys. Big roll of onion omelette, perfectly done guys. Let's check on our French toast. Eat it, pick it up the whole toast and eat it like this, but we are going a little bit fancy here. So take the French toast. Oh wow, soft, sweet, milky, as you guys can see. Yum, it's a perfect combination. So this bite goes for you. Do try this easy, simple breakfast recipe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye for now.
Wow.